Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to upgrade your IELTS writing skill instantly. Right? Very briefly, in a very simple, direct and to the point way, I'm going to tell you all that. Let me tell you one thing. First of all of you must be familiar with IELTS writing marking criteria. That's very important. Many students don't even know. They only think if we use good words of vocabulary, we can get 7 band. It's just not that. There are 4 criterias and you must be familiar, rather you must understand these 4 criterias, and remember each criteria is equal to 25, or for example 9 band, 9 band, 9 band and 9 band, and then they just divide it by 4 and then you get your band actually. So the first one is task response. Task response means how thoroughly have you covered the topic. Task response means have you written 250 words for task 2, task 1, 150 words. So task response is the first thing. If you've written something beyond the topic or away from topic, definitely you will get low marks in task response. That's the first one. The second criteria is grammatical range and accuracy. So in order to improve your band score in writing, you must improve your grammar range. Grammar range means you can use a variety of tenses. Present simple, present perfect continuous, it has been, okay, passive voice, active voice. So grammatical range is very, very important, and with grammatical range the next point is accuracy. They call it grammatical range and accuracy. Your sentences must be accurate grammatically, spelling, punctuation and all that. So for grammatical range and accuracy, I would advise you to improve your tenses, to learn passive voice of all the tenses, direct, indirect narration, simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, conditional sentences, and you must learn helping verbs. And by the way, if you get more band in one of these 4 things, that will give you advantage. So the second is grammatical range and accuracy. Third one is lexical resource. Lexical resource means vocabulary. Many students misunderstand lexical resource and they think if we use difficult words, if we use long words, then we can get good band score. It's not that. Remember, whenever we talk about vocabulary, the key is flexibility. What does it mean? Flexibility means you should know how to say the same thing in 2, 3, 4 different ways. That is important. The third criteria is lexical resource. Lexical resource means vocabulary. Lexical resource means the choice of words. Lexical resource means the words you use to express your ideas in report, letter and essay. Many students understand lexical resource as something that if we stuff our essay with difficult words, with flowery words, with long words and long spelling, examiner will give us good band. Let me tell you, when it comes to lexical resource, the key is flexibility. Flexibility means you should have a variety of words. You should know how to say same thing in 2, 3 different ways. For example, this is my favorite leisure activity. This is the best time pass for me. This is what I do whenever I don't have anything else. So this is what we call flexibility. Now, if you present a word like leisure activity and then you use this word 10 times in your essay, 5 times in your essay, after every word leisure activity, leisure activity, leisure activity, you will get low band score. Again, remember, it's not that you got to use difficult words. then you will get good band score in lexical resource? No. Lexical resource means actually flexibility. You should use a variety of words, a variety of words which are basically being repeated. And you must use collocations. I've said that in my videos as well. You must use collocations. So this is what we call lexical resource, and this is equal to 9 band, actually basically 9999, and then whatever you get, and then they give you the cumulative band score. After this, the most important thing after these three, that is coherence and cohesion. Let me tell you, your paragraph, within your paragraph, the sentences must be connected. Coherence and cohesion actually means your ideas, your sentences, they must be connected, number one. Number two, you must guide the reader. You must tell the reader, first of all, this is my first point. For example, I'm giving an example. Furthermore, I'm explaining my point. In my opinion, I'm giving my opinion. To conclude, I'm concluding this essay. Lastly, I'm saying my last point. On the contrary, now I'm going to take a look at the opposite side. So this is what we call coherence and cohesion. Number one, ideas must be well connected. For that, you can use connecting words. And second, you must guide the reader at every point that this sentence is an example. This sentence is explanation. This sentence is topic sentence. This sentence is the conclusion of the paragraph. That's what we call coherence and cohesion. One thing. The next thing is you must go to Google, and there you will find IELTS writing band descriptor. Now, if you are targeting band score 7, you must read IELTS writing band descriptor of band score 8. And there you will see the breakdown of lexical resource, grammatical range, coherence and cohesion, and then we had the first one, it's not coming to my mind, task achievement or task response. So you can see the breakdown of that. So this is how immediately and instantly you guys can improve your writing. And let me tell you, by learning some fake phrases, fake sentences, some acquired sentences, you cannot cheat the examiner to achieve from band score 6 to 7. In order to achieve band score 7, if you are at 6th level, you must improve your English up to band score 7, and then examiner will give you 7 band happily. That's all. Thank you. I teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best with your IELTS writing. Take care. Allah Hafiz.